Create an empty game object to stay organized. We will create a sphere and position it. For the heck of it, we will change its color too. Create a UI Text Mesh Pro and import TMP Essentials if you have not already done so previously. Bring the canvas to view by clicking the canvas in the hierarchy and press the F key while hovering over the scene view. Change to 2D mode in the bar at the top of the scene view so we can get a better look at the canvas. Create a UI image. This will be the background for our text. Move the text to be a child of the image. Anchor the text by clicking the square in the rect transform. Hold Shift and Alt while clicking the top center anchor. Adjust position Y to give a little padding from the top. Adjust the size of the image to look nice and wide enough to hold the text. Adjust the size of the text to be just a little smaller than the background image and make other changes to text to look nice. Create a new C# script and open the script by double-clicking on it. Add this using statement to be able to use Text Mesh Pro in your script. Then add a variable for the Text Mesh Pro text. Follow along to change the Text Mesh Pro text to be the object's name. Delete the update method to save on memory resources and delete unused using statements to reduce file size. Go back to Unity and assign the script to the sphere. Then, add the Text Mesh Pro text to the script in the inspector. Enter play mode to see the game object's name appear in the UI we created. This video teaches how to use Object.ToString. If you wish to remove the ugly-looking Unity engine.GameObject, just use the name property as taught in a previous video.